Hey everyone, welcome back. Thought I'd do a quick update at the end of day on March the 4th. Well, it's just after midnight, so I guess March the 5th now. Not a lot has happened. They're saying that there's less of a chance of an eruption, but they also are saying that there's a possible eruption area 4, and they said this at almost 8 o'clock tonight. So, I mean, much like a lot of people said in the comments, you don't really know what to do with all this information. I mean, yesterday they were insisting that it's within hours there was going to be an eruption, and now today it's much less. And yeah, there's just news up and down. I did see on Facebook there was someone sent me a link that said there's a volcano in the south called Katla, and let me just show you on the map where that is. So that's down in the south, down here. And they're saying that this one's about to go. But today there was apparently a report that there was a large earthquake down in this area as well. Someone's joking that maybe this one's waking up as well. I know there's earthquakes in other parts of the world. Who knows if they're all connected. But the point of this video today is to not go too much into the earthquake stuff. I wanted to get back to the roots of what these videos are all about, and that's just showcasing Iceland in sort of the day-to-day stuff that goes on. Now, around a year ago or so, I went to the area that's actually currently under this eruption watch, and it's this area right here, right between Grundavik and Hafnarfjörður. So it's Krusavik, and this really nice area is here. A lot of the volcano area is, as you can see, where I'm pointing on the map is right around here. So I'm right below where all of this eruption is potentially, and this lava is potentially gonna happen. But the point of the reason I'm saying this is I have some nice drone footage that me and a friend shot, as I said, about around a year ago or so. And it's in this area. It's going to be interesting to see how it turns out if there is an eruption, how the area looks afterwards. But I hope you all enjoy it. Take a look. Little soothing music to keep you company.